Welcome back to Scale Speedworks. My name's Mike. I know I've been gone a little while. Sometimes it's nice just to take a little time for yourself. During the month of July, I wasn't just sitting around doing nothing. I actually worked on a few kits and went on a small little weekend trip with my family to Sacramento, which is about an hour and a half away. While my wife was off doing her thing, I took the kids and went to the Sacramento State Railway Museum. Such an awesome place. I've been there many, many times before, and it is well worth the visit if you're coming out to California. If you want to see some cool trains, I highly, highly recommend you make the trip. While I didn't get this kit in Sacramento, I have had it in my collection for a little while, and I eventually plan on building it. Now, the Railway Museum has a ton of locomotives. This, unfortunately, is not one of them. However, it does have a pretty damn big locomotive, and that is a cab forward design where the cab back here was placed up here in front. Really, really awesome. I believe they made either 24 or 26 of them, and the one in Sacramento is the last surviving engine. It's really, really awesome. It was a 2, 8, 4 configuration, and each set of wheels articulated because this thing was so long. It was such a cool engine. Still is. It's there. It's not going anywhere. It's pretty much decommissioned, but man, that thing is huge, huge. Again, I had this in my collection, and I wanted to show it to you as kind of an introduction to this railway museum that I visited. So without any further ado, let's put on some music and take a look at my trip to the California State Railway Museum.